international community is stressing its commitments to a two-state solution in the Middle East peace process. More than 70 countries are represented at a meeting in Paris to revive the stalled talks. While a recent UN resolution demanding an end to Israeli settlement building has raised hopes, Donald Trump's recent statements threaten to derail peace efforts. French President François Hollande told attendees, only direct talks between Israelis and Palestinians can lead to peace. It is reasonable, it is necessary that the international community seriously thinks about the best way possible to guide the two-state solution. And I confirm that this solution is the only one possible for peace and security. Trump has pledged to move the US embassy from Tel Aviv to Jerusalem, a move which France's foreign minister said would be a provocation with serious consequences. Neither Israeli nor Palestinian leaders are in attendance at the Paris conference, which Israel's prime minister said was rigged against his country. Several dozen protesters gathered outside the Israeli embassy in the French capital, adding their own voices of disapproval over the one-day peace conference.